Ryan Gass here, PTPGun.com firearms training. And today I'm here to show you how to disassemble and reassemble this CZ P10C. Before we take apart any firearm, we need to double check, make sure the firearm is unloaded. So we're gonna go ahead and keep the firearm pointed in a safe direction. We're gonna drop that magazine, set it to the side. All right, we're gonna go ahead, send a slide back home. All right, we're gonna pull the trigger, and then very similar to the Glocks, we're gonna go ahead and pull the slide back a little bit. This takedown pin, it's on both sides. I'm gonna pull it down from both sides, release that slide forward, and pull the frame off. All right, the frame is done. We're gonna set it back to the side. All right, the slide upside down. We're gonna take the spring guide. We're gonna compress it just a little bit and pull that up and out. Set that to the side. Now the barrel, we're gonna push up and out and pull it and sit to the side. And we have the slide. From here, you can do any type of cleaner maintenance you might need to do on your P10C. Now let's get back into reassembly. We're gonna drop the barrel into the firearm upside down and through the slide, muzzle first. Now we're gonna take the spring guide and we're gonna insert the smaller end into the muzzle end of the frame. We're gonna compress that spring just a little bit. It's gonna get caught in the bottom of that barrel. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna rotate it up, right side up, and we're gonna insert the frame into the slide. The rail starts about a third of the way back from the muzzle end. We're gonna insert that frame into the slide. We're gonna pull it all the way back and lock it back. Now from here, we have the firearm field stripped and reassembled, but we will make sure we put it back together properly. So what we're gonna do is a functions check. Functions check. We're going to go ahead and pull that slide back, let go, point the firearm in a safe direction. We're gonna go ahead and pull the trigger. We're gonna let go of the trigger and we're gonna pull that slide back again, let go, pull the trigger again, and let go. Now, very similar but a little bit different, we're gonna pull that slide back, let go, we're gonna pull the trigger, but hold it to the rear. Hold that trigger to the rear, we're gonna pull that slide back, let go, all right, and then we're gonna let go of the trigger just enough to hear and feel it click. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull the trigger again to the rear, hold it again to the rear, pull it slide back, let go, release the trigger just until we hear and feel that click, and let go of the trigger all the way. For more videos on how to field strip and clean your handgun, go to PTPGun.com firearms training on YouTube and subscribe to our channel. Also, go to our website, PTPGun.com, and pick up any merchandise you would like, including hats, shirts, hoodies, decals, and cups to support your local and favorite PTPGun.com firearms training YouTube channel. Thank you all again, stay safe, and as always, train, defend, prevail.